Now, this could mark perhaps the first major outreach after August 2019 to initiate political process in Jammu and Kashmir. Information coming in that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is likely going to be chairing a meeting of all political parties of the Union Territory on 24th of June. The meeting will be held, remember, amid huge speculation if there will be a return of statehood to Jammu and Kashmir. Top sources have confirmed to India Today that the delimitation exercise, or the process basically of redrawing constituency, and that can also be discussed during this meeting. This could also be having an agenda, possible assembly elections scheduled by the end of this year. India Today has learnt that as many as 9 parties have been called. The total list can extend to about 16 parties from both Jammu and Kashmir. However, while formal invitations are yet to be sent, PDP Chief Mehbooba Mufti has confirmed to India Today that she has received an invitation informally, but they are yet to take a decision if the PDP leaders will attend the party or not. Significantly, the outreach has come a week after Gupkar Alliance head Farooq Abdullah, remember, told his partners and gave a public statement that if the centre reaches out to them, they will look into it. And it is possible that the sources are revealing that Dr. Abdullah has told the partners not to boycott the meeting.
जिस प्रकार से जम्मू कश्मीर में काफ़ी देर से ब्यूरोक्रेसी काम कर रही है धारा 370 टूटने के बाद, तो हो सकता है कि पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेस शुरू करने के लिए इस प्रकार का कदम उठाया जाए। तो कुल मिलाकर के अच्छी बात है, होना भी चाहिए। सभी को कॉन्फिडेंस में लेकर के यहाँ पर द्वारा डेमोक्रेटिक सेटअप बने तो मुझे लगता है अच्छा रहेगा।
Dialogue is the essence of democracy, and any such dialogue which is for the welfare of the state of Jammu and Kashmir and its people is a welcome step, and the party will take an appropriate decision on it if and when the invitation is received.
अच्छी बात है, 3 साल के बाद जम्मू कश्मीर में गवर्नर रूल, राष्ट्रपति शासन और फिर लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर रूल, यूटी बनाना, डाउनग्रेड करने, और 3 साल के बाद कोई अगर डायलॉग प्रोसेस होगा तो उस पर विचार जरूर करेगी कांग्रेस पार्टी, और कांग्रेस सेंट्रल लीडरशिप इस पर फैसला करेगी जब फॉर्मल इन्विटेशन आता है और किस तरह की वार्तालाप होती है।
Kamaljeet Sandhu reporting live from Delhi on it. Kamaljeet, so the informal invitations have started to go out. PGP's Mehbooba Mufti has confirmed, many more others as well. But how big this could be? Because this could be the first time they're all coming together after August 29. Kamaljeet, if you can hear me, what are you picking up on possible agendas for June 24th meeting? Kamal. All right, we'll try and just get that communication back. Kamaljeet Sandhu has been tracking all the latest. Now, this is big, remember. In August 29, Article 370 was abrogated. There is a Gupkar's People's Alliance, and they have said that they will look into it. They recently met as well. Dr. Farooq Abdullah made it very clear that if the centre approaches them, they will look into it. PDP's Mehbooba Mufti has confirmed that an informal invitation has been received. This is significant because some of these leaders based in Kashmir believe that the August 4 stand should remain. That was before the abrogation of Article 370. However, the government is likely at the centre to discuss possible statehood, assembly elections and much more. So in the next few days, we are expecting formal invitations to go out, as on June 24th, that meeting is likely to be taking place. All right, this is very significant and our top story, primarily because this could be the first time that we can see an end to the political impasse in Jammu and Kashmir. Remember, the state for now only has the Lieutenant Governor taking care of the matters of former state and now a union territory. Elections have not been held since August 2019. So for assembly elections, the government sources have revealed that they're also looking at the process of delimitation, which is to arrange the constituencies yet again of Jammu and Kashmir.